This is Planet Pulse for Wednesday, February 2nd. We have a new moon in Aquarius today. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine, and I think we should wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year. It's always on the new moon in Aquarius.
It is, and although the Chinese zodiac differs from ours, it's another way of putting the imagination out into the cosmos. Today's new moon is interesting for a number of reasons. First of all, it conjuncts Mars, which gives it a little bit more energy than a
punchy, aggressive Mars.
Yeah, that gives it a little bit more energy than a typical new moon. But the other thing that's going on today is that the new moon is in Aquarius. And in astrology, every planet connects to a sign, and every sign connects to a planet. The planet that connects to Aquarius is Uranus, and Uranus is in the action today.
Absolutely. Venus, the planet of love, forms a challenging right angle with Uranus, which adds a little edginess and experimentation to destabilize but possibly excite relationships. On the other hand, logical, intellectual Mercury forms a harmonious hookup with Uranus, which adds a good degree of intelligence. And Aquarius is arguably the most intelligent sign of the zodiac. This is an incredible day for having bright ideas. Part of the problem may be we can be impatient with those who aren't catching up to our tastes or ideas quickly enough.
Yes, and the bright ideas that we're having are even fed more from a very early morning semi-square, that's a half a square, from the bright, brilliant sun, also to Uranus, which stirs up even more energy. One thing that also can help us today, though, is that Venus, while it's making this hard angle to Uranus, kind of making us edgy and exciting us, Venus is also making a supportive sextile to Neptune, the planet of imagination, which allows us to bring in the softer aspects of our thoughts or feelings to maybe help take the edge off of things. I'm Rick Levine.
And I'm Jeff Jower, inviting you to join us here every day to catch up with the pulse of the planets on Planet Pulse.